Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, umkhokha the curse. Ulwazi is still worried, right? Ulwazi is still worried with the departure yaka Kabsile. At this point, Ulwazi wants answers. I'm asking myself for good. Why angamniki lawo ma answers? Because it's just easy answers. The answer is easy. Ulwazi, uKabsile, I had a premonition. uKabsile has something that she needs to disclose ekibo. Hence, uKabsile had to go. What's difficult with that? It's like, why go round around? Uma mzobe kube umuntu okhulekayo bekusekusele kangaka ukuthi ugirl akhuleke ngama-tongues ashaye aboshabara kick-up baking powder barabata bashabara karaka like 5-2 or add 3 tongues. At this point, all she wants is for uPhakathayo to recover and uPhakathayo to forget everything, so that uKabsile is protected. But the prayer is selfish because it's not more about Kabsile, it's more about her. Because at the end of the day, when uKabsile did that act, uKabsile was a child. So uKabsile can easily be forgiven. The person that can never be easily forgiven is her. She reminded uMthembu ukuthi umxolele because umkhiphile ngaphansi kwamanzi da. But for now, ngicela ukuthi nje yonke lento indlule. Yo sasho siwe isithombe sakamvelas and siyazi ukuthi once kwawo isithombe, we know ukuthi once sawa isithombe. Ke ulwazi wabona ukuthi hayi akathothe inyawo zakhe azithwala yo checka. Fike lapha yana Kabsile ni right nengane. Hayi se right Kabsile kwenzakaleni. Ubaba he nje but it's not a big deal. Usesibhedlele. He'll be okay. But Ulwazi is not stupid, right? He might be sweet, but he's not stupid. So he could see ukuthi no, uKabsile is not telling all the honest truth. Hayi then abuyele ekhaya kibo ayotshela ubaba wakhe ukuthi gijima something. uKabsile uthi umntwana right, but ubaba khuse esibhedlele kube nengozi eyenzakele. Usifocile athi ngishilo. But now who will be brave enough to tell uZamcolo to go to the hospital so that iqiniso lingaphuma sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani sindlule kuyonke lento le. uKabsile ke then was the one that is left to clean up the house. Ugirl uye emela clean igazi yenze yo, like she wept, yo, she cried throughout the storyline. Ugirl was crying, but uyidlalile ipart yakhe. So now the question is, because uKabsile is in distress, niyambona ukuthi uphatheke kabi, izinto azihambi kahle ngobaba wakhe, umntana uzosurvive na, or naye umntana uzoba located by umkhokha? Yo ndiyabuwa indaba yakabani kube indaba yaka Mthembu. Hayi akwatu unomafu thethisa umuntu akhambuza ukuthi uyenzeni kahle yini engaka oyenzile Zamcolo, because we okhulume naye egcineni but hayi uzama ukuthini, and then hayi eyabalwisa kancane basathi bayaqabanga abafoni lamaphoyisa bangene abantu bakamzobe. Abantu bakamzobe babangena, they entered with all the praises in the world. Remember ubaba khona bafonelile with a big beautiful voice. Now he's no more. No one wants to believe ukuthi umkhokha udile naye. Hayi bafuna ama-answers ayadingeka, and at this time ama-answers mele anikezwe abantu bakamthembu. Amaphoyisa ke aye kaMthembu aqwale kaMthembu amaphoyisa. Baba question a lot, right? Like they were questioned seriously a lot. And remember the son to Ulobabo Shonile saying like, you guys need to ngobabu wami, he's making all the conflict, he's making noise. But uZamcolo said something very profound. Ati the premonition was right, or the myalezo that we got from Mozambique was right. We should not have assisted anybody wakamzobe. Now we find ourselves in this predicament, a predicament that is going to be a bit difficult for us to get out of. So equation manje E1 ithuna likamzobe liyotholakala kanjani? Yo, ngitshele wena, what are your ideas? While you are telling me also, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also let me know which other storyline can we cover since umkhokha is coming to an end. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.